welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the Accentuated Notes channel, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for any aspiring artist out there: what you really need to start off as a music artist. So, if you've got big dreams and you're ready to make your mark in the music industry, stick around because we've got some essential tips and tools to get you started. Whether you're an aspiring singer, producer, rapper, or band member, this video is going to break down everything you need to kickstart your journey and build a foundation for success. Alright, first up, equipment. When you're just starting out, you don't need to go overboard with fancy gear, but you do need some essentials to make sure your sound is on point. You'll need a good quality microphone, some comfortable headphones, and an audio interface if you're recording from home. Also, don't forget about your computer or laptop, a reliable one with enough processing power to run a digital audio workstation, DAW, like Ableton, Logic, or FL Studio. This is where the magic happens. And if you're into producing beats, investing in a MIDI controller can help bring your ideas to life much faster. Now, let's talk about skills. Sure, having the right gear is crucial, but your talents and knowledge are what will take you from good to great. At the core, you need to be proficient in either songwriting, producing, or performing. If you can write lyrics, make beats, and perform, that's a huge bonus. But don't just focus on your main craft. Learn a bit about audio engineering, mixing, and mastering. That'll save you a lot of money when you're starting out, and it's an essential skill for any artist. Let's talk about marketing, more specifically, building your online presence. In today's digital age, it's not enough to just make music, you need to be visible online. That means getting active on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Start sharing your journey, your music, your process, and even your struggles. Fans love seeing the behind-the-scenes action. And of course, you need a platform to actually share your music. Upload your songs to streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and SoundCloud. Having a presence on all these platforms is key to growing your audience. Next up is networking. It's not just about what you know, but who you know. Get out there, whether that's attending music events, collaborating with other artists, or connecting with producers, songwriters, and even managers. Collaborations can open up so many doors, whether it's growing your fan base or getting your foot in the door with industry professionals. Lastly, one of the most important things you need is perseverance. The music industry can be tough, and there will be times when it feels like things aren't moving forward as fast as you'd like. Keep going. Stay consistent. Your dedication will pay off. Whether you're posting weekly on social media, releasing new tracks, or refining your sound, never lose sight of why you started in the first place. Remember, every successful artist has faced their challenges. The key is to keep pushing forward. So, there you have it, the essentials to get you started as a music artist. Focus on your skills, invest in the right tools, build your online presence, network, and most importantly, stay persistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a fellow artist, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're most excited to focus on as you start your music journey? Catch you in the next video. Keep creating, keep pushing, and keep dreaming big.